Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Right Now. It's okay to be curious. Guys, I think Tia Clayton is Jamaica's sweetheart at the moment. And a lot of people, they're extending their sympathy towards Tia Clayton because of how she dropped out of the trials. You know, Tia Clayton will not be representing Jamaica at the World Championship. The opportunity had presented itself in Bahamas if she was able to participate in that track meet. However, there had been some complaints that, you know what, Tia Clayton, yes, she's a good athlete. She's one of your favorite daughters of the soil, but there are few daughters of the soil who finish in that 100-meter finals at the trials ahead of her. So they're saying, you know what, to be fair, give them a chance. And I think this is a little bit of a fear. A lot of people know that the athlete who would finish on top at that prestigious event would get a buy-in to the World Championship. Jamaica could potentially get 4 people into the World Championship. Right now they have 3. Tia Clayton, which is one half of the twin turbo. Her sister is Tia Clayton, who Jamaica would love to see out there. I think she's becoming Jamaica's sweetheart because of, you know, the fact that she represented at the World Championship and some of the good times that she had been running and doing good stuff, you know, the underdog story, you know. Yeah, so I think she's Jamaica's sweetheart. So we also have, we have Tia Clayton, we have Sherika Jackson. Sherika Jackson is literally unknown in the 100-meter right now. We know what she's capable of. A 10.65 athlete, we know what she's capable of, but she's not at that level at the moment. You know, not there, not yet. But we also have Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. Who would have guessed Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce going to the World Championship for the 10th time? I think 9 or 10 time. And you know what? You remember the first time when Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce went to the Olympics? That's where she burst onto the scene. Everybody remember, and everybody got introduced to her. Do you remember the drama surrounding that one? She won the championships in Jamaica unknown. I think she, along with Asafa Powell, might have forced MVP into the spotlight, and a lot of people would have recognized that the MVP club is a club to be reckoned with. Right now, if you look all over the internet, you would see people saying, in Frano we trust. You know, if the world trusts in Frano, what says he? Jamaica have to trust in Frano, even though they fight among themselves, imploding, destroying the events and destroying the sport because of the kind of power that exists within track and field. And to be fair, Frano spearheaded a lot of it. Right now, remember Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, the way how she started out. She started out as an athlete who they were saying, you know what, step back, let Veronica Campbell finish her career in style. She had been a legend for Jamaica. Give her the opportunity, let she go out there, finish in style, and then next time you get your shot. You know what's funny about next time? It's not promise. Yeah, it's not promise. So right now, this again with Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce potentially going out the same way how she come in. Who is expecting Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce to win at the World Championship right now? Nobody really, not even Jamaica, because what? This is the same way how it looked when she was going into the Olympics in, I think it was Tokyo. I can't remember when, but 2008 Olympics. Nobody expected her to win. It's a young girl with this bright smile and braces, excited to be there. Everybody thought she was just participating, and then she ran 10.78, one of those extremely fast times, and people were like, oh, that's a fluke. How did that happen? Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce burst onto the scene. The rest is history. And even now at the World Championship, going into the World Championship, it's a little bit of a, I wonder if she should be there, you know, because the young guns, the changing of the guard and all these things, and the way how she got into it as well, she was not among the best athletes on the team. She got the 3rd spot, and I assume that a healthy Tia Clayton would have finished ahead of Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. So Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce got in such a way that a lot of people would be wondering, should she be there? Is she going to be able to perform at the level that we would like to see her perform? You know what? I don't know. We won't know until the 100-meter finals commence. But I do believe that she's coming out the exact same way how she goes in. Now Tia Clayton they're asking her, there had been some pushback. As a result, she will not participate. Now I'm wondering, is there any way that she could potentially represent at the World Championship? I really don't know. I haven't done enough research, not in recent times, but I'm hopeful, very much hopeful. Drop your comments down below. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if there's an opportunity for her. Let's root her on. Let's cheer for her together. Rewrite narrative, like and share, and subscribe. Drop your comments down below.